Hi, Lionstein.
Wait! What is he looking at?
The ground?
Lionstein! Is everything okay down there?
Yes. Is something wrong?
You lose something?
I'm just taking a look at the ants.
That's just a pile of dirt.
Take a closer look.
Wow!
It's a beautiful day to come and play and learn a thing or two. With Bubbles and friends, the fun never ends. We're ready, how about you? Bubbles and friends!
Where the bugs live.
Oh.
Look at them all walking together.
I found one ant and then another and another. I followed them all here to their anthill.
Anthill?
It looks like a volcano. Is that where they live?
Yes!
So cool!
Let's not touch, just watch. Let's move slowly and quietly.
We must look like giants to those ants. Don't be scared of us, friends. Wow. Do you think this bee lives with the ants?
Bees live with other bees in a beehive.
What do you think it looks like in there?
I wish we were small enough to go inside the anthill. Or the beehive.
We can always use our imagination.
We're tiny!
Wow! Look at all these tunnels. This is so neat.
The ants built this.
What? How? Rocks are so heavy. And they are so tiny.
Well, ants are super strong, but they also work together. Building the tunnels, gathering food, they help each other all the time.
Oof.
Jump on. Let's head to the beehive.
The beehive is so cool.
Look at all those shapes.
And the bees also built this.
The floor is so sticky.
That's actually honey the bees make.
Yummy.
A spider web. Can we go see it?
Let's go!
What is the spider doing?
Like ants and bees, they also make their own homes.
It's so neat and thin. Look at those details.
It's almost see-through.
Should we get closer?
Spider webs may be thin, but they are super stretchy and very strong.
And fun. Where do the bees live?
In the air.
In the air!
What do we call their house?
A beehive.
A beehive! Let me see, let me see. The beehive where the bees all live.
Where do the spiders live?
Hanging there.
Hanging there!
What do we call their house?
A spider web.
A spider web! Let me see, let me see. The spider web where the spider lives.
Bees in the beehive, spiders in webs.
Bees in the beehive, spiders in webs. Earth has a place for everyone. It is our home, and it's the best.
Wow! Clubhouses are super cool.
Sometimes you just need to look a little bit closer, and you can see a whole new world.
Yeah, there's a whole other world living all around us.
That's why we need to take care of the Earth. We need to keep it safe for us and for all of our bug friends, too.
Wow.
Oh.
Hurry up, friends!
We are hurrying.
You seem extra happy today, Bubbles.
I just love spring. It's my favorite time of the year. Flowers are blooming.
And there are baby animals on the farm.
Did you say baby animals? Yay!
It's a beautiful day to come and play and learn a thing or two. With Bubbles and friends, the fun never ends. We're ready, how about you? Bubbles and friends!
Baby animals.
Lionsstein!
Hi, friends. I was waiting for you.
Where are the baby animals?
Oh, I see Bubbles and Braden already told you about them. During spring, the snow from winter melts, and the temperature is warmer.
And there are baby animals? Aww.
Look at the cow.
And the baby cow.
That's our newest calf on the farm.
A what?
A calf. Some baby animals have different names than the adults. A baby cow is called a calf.
Moo!
A sheep.
I thought it was a lamb.
You're both right. The baby is a lamb, and its mom there is a sheep.
Bye. Bye.
A pig!
A piglet.
Oink, oink. A goat.
And a kid.
Hey, that's not a kid. That's a goat.
Baby goats are called kids.
Oh.
Ma.
That's a weird sound for a goat.
That's not a goat.
Or a kid.
Where is that sound coming from?
Oh no, it's a baby chicken.
A chick.
Are you lost, friend?
We need to find the chick's family.
But how? There are so many animals here.
Maybe we can listen for more peeps, and that should take us back to his family.
Great idea, Braden. And don't forget to listen for adult chickens, too.
Follow the cluck clucks and peep peeps.
Let's do it. We will find your family, little friend.
What do you call a baby cow?
A baby cow is a calf.
It's a calf.
Moo, 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 says the cow.
Moo, 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 says the calf.
What do you call a baby pig?
A baby pig is a piglet.
It's a piglet.
Oink, 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 says the pig.
Oink, 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 says the piglet. We love all the babies on the farm. They bring joy to us all.
What do you call a baby sheep?
A baby sheep is a lamb.
It's a lamb.
Ba, 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 says the sheep.
Ba, 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 says the lamb.
What do you call a baby chicken?
A baby chicken is a chick.
It's a chick.
Cluck, 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 says the chicken.
Peep, 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 says the chick. We love all the babies on the farm. They are so cute, with so much charm. We love all animals, big and small. They are our friends, and we love them all.
I think we are close.
Don't worry, Chick. We will find your mama.
Over there!
That's weird. Where are the peep peeps we just heard?
Maybe we need to call them. Peep, peep, peep.
Peep, 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 peep.
Here they are. Hi.
So many chickens and chicks.
Aren't they cute?
And so yellow.
As yellow as the sun on the first day of spring. Yay! Yay!
These puppets are so cute.
Right? They're perfect for our play.
I'm so excited.
Hi. Sorry we are late.
No problem, Bubbles.
Please take your seats. We will begin in just 1 minute.
It's showtime!
It's a beautiful day to come and play and learn a thing or two. With Bubbles and friends, the fun never ends. We're ready, how about you? Bubbles and friends!
Our greater world.
Welcome to our greater world.
I'm Braden the Explorer, and I have traveled all around the world to study different animals. Now you might be wondering what I'm doing in Antarctica. Hi, Mr. Penguin. How are you?
Aw, penguin!
Hello, Braden. I'm good, thank you. Waddle, waddle, waddle.
That's so great, Mr. Penguin. That's right. I've been studying penguins. Penguins love the cold. They waddle in the snow and ice all day long. And here in Antarctica, it's cold all the time.
Wait! I want to ask Mr. Penguin a question. What's your name?
My name is Pepe. Pepe the Penguin.
Oh!
Okay. Thank you, Pepe the Penguin. Now I must be on my way as I'm headed to the jungle.
Wait, you're going to leave Pepe?
Aw, but he's so cute. I don't want him to be lonely.
I think Pepe will be just fine. My plane is here. Off to the jungle. Okay. Come on, Pepe. Off to the jungle.
Thank you, Braden the Explorer. I always wanted to travel. Let's waddle, waddle, waddle together around the world.
Yay!
Whoosh. Whoosh. Oh, what a flight. Pepe, this is the jungle. It's probably way too hot for you to be here.
It is very warm and wet, too. So different from my beloved Antarctica.
Who lives in the jungle?
Good question, Izzy. My very good friend Sally the Snake lives here. Sally? Where are you, Sally?
Slither, slither. I'm Sally the Snake and I slither.
I like your moves, Sally.
Is a jungle just a place full of snakes?
No, there are all kinds of animals that live in the jungle. Monkeys, tigers, orangutans, frogs. Trees and plants cover the whole jungle. That's where I like to slither.
Thanks so much for teaching us about the jungle, Sally.
Is Sally also coming with you?
She should.
I think Sally would like to stay.
I sure would like to see the world.
Okay, but we are going to a very hot and dry place. Are you sure?
Of course. Slither, slither. Waddle, waddle.
Choo-choo. 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 We made it! Wow, it's hot here and dry.
We should hydrate.
I don't see any animals in here. Where's everyone?
I see a cheetah. Excuse me, cheetah. I am Brayden the Explorer, and these are my friends, Sally the Snake and Pepe the Penguin. We're new here.
Oh, cheetahs are my favorite! They're the fastest animals on land. When they aren't running, they strut, strut, strut with their bodies like this.
You are correct. Strut, strut, strut. My name is Charlie Cheetah. Nice to meet you. As you can see, it's very grassy where I live. But because it's so hot and dry, not a lot of other plants grow here, leaving wide open spaces.
Do you have any friends, Charlie Cheetah?
Even though it is hot, I have a lot of cool friends. Giraffes, rhinos, zebras, they all live here with me.
Wow!
Where are you all from?
Happyville, my favorite place in the world.
Speaking of, we should be getting back. It's late. Friends, hop on my train. We have to be home before it gets dark.
Let's go!
Let's go! Let's go!
The penguin waddles side to side. Waddles, waddles on the icy slide.
The fish swims quickly through the sea. Swish, 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 he's so happy.
All around the world animals play, dancing as they move in their own way. Let's all move under the same bright sun. Exploring our big world is so much fun.
Thanks for inviting us to your play, Brayden and Phoebe.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
And thank you for teaching us all about the animals of the world.
You're welcome. I can't wait for you to join me on my next adventure.
Oh, where are we going next, Explorer Brayden?
We didn't even get to talk about the forest. There will be fox.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the
river.
It's a beautiful day to come and play and learn a thing or two. With Bubbles and friends, the fun never ends. We're ready, how about you? Bubbles and friends!
Going down the river.
Sonar! Hi, Sonar. So great to see you.
Hey, friends. What are you up to today? We're going out on an adventure. Want to join us? Sounds fun.
We're like pirates, but on the river.
River pirates.
Exactly. But what's the difference between a river pirate and an ocean pirate?
That's easy. One looks for treasure on the ocean, and the other looks for treasure on the river?
Do you guys know the difference between the river and the ocean?
Of course. The ocean has lots of water, and
The river does too.
Oh, I know. The ocean has turtles.
good point.
Rivers have turtles too?
Oh no, That turtle is lost.
Come here, turtle. We will help you get back home.
Friends, this is the turtle's home.
The river?
But turtles live in the ocean.
A sea turtle lives in the ocean. That little guy lives here on the river. If you look at his feet, you can see he's different than a sea turtle.
Oh.
Look at that fish.
It looks so funny.
It's a catfish.
A cat?
That's a fish.
A catfish is a fish you can find in the river. It can't live in the ocean because the water is different. The ocean has salt water, and the river's water is fresh water, so not as much salt.
Things on the river are almost the same as the ocean, but also very different.
Yeah, I wonder what else is different.
Take a look around you. The ocean is wide, and the water pushes and pulls away from the beach in waves.
And the river flows in one direction.
That's right. Even the trees and the birds are different.
That's true. I haven't seen any seagulls.
Maybe that's a river gull?
Now, close your eyes and smell. Now think about how the beach smells.
The beach smells like sunscreen and warm sand. The river smells
Different. Like grass and rainy days.
And what about the sounds?
I hear some croaks.
And some quacks.
On a little boat we row, we row. On a little boat we row away. On a little boat we row down the river. We all row today.
Frogs sing.
Croak, croak.
That's right.
On a little boat we row, we row. On a little boat we row away. On a little boat we row down the river. We all row today.
Frogs sing.
Croak, croak.
Ducks say.
Quack, quack.
Fantastic.
On a little boat we row, we row. On a little boat we row away. On a little boat we row down the river. We all row today.
Frogs sing.
Croak, croak.
Ducks say.
Quack, quack.
Alligators.
Snap, snap.
All right.
On a little boat we row, we row. On a little boat we row away. On a little boat we row down the river. We all row today.
Frogs sing.
Croak, croak.
Ducks say.
Quack, quack.
Alligators.
Snap, snap.
And our boat goes.
Splash, splash.
So much fun.
On a little boat we row, we row. On a little boat we row away. On a little boat we row down the river. We all row today.
Look at the sunset.
The river sunset.
Isn't that beautiful?
And so calm.
Ah, yes. I just want to enjoy the view.
And the sounds. Ah, this is so relaxing. That was a good one.
Okay, Izzy, your turn.
I spy with my little eye something green and long.
Huh. Is it that leaf?
Yes.
My turn. I spy with my little eye something round and white.
Huh?
Oh, there it is. A golf ball.
It looks like a rock to me.
What could it be?
It's a beautiful day to come and play and learn a thing or two. With Bubbles and friends, the fun never ends. We're ready, how about you? Bubbles and friends!
Lost egg. It doesn't look like a golf ball. It's not bumpy.
What else is white and round?
A marshmallow.
But marshmallows are soft. Maybe it's a ping pong ball.
It does look like one, but why is it under a tree?
White and round.
An egg! We should handle the egg very carefully. There's a baby bird inside.
That's true. Maybe we need to leave it here just in case the mom comes back.
Yes. In the meantime, we need to find its family.
Here. So we'll remember how it looks.
I wonder what it is doing here. How did you get so far from your family? You don't have any legs yet.
Maybe it is from that birdie.
Hello? Are you missing an egg?
There are so many nests and birds here. It could belong to anyone.
But it is a small egg. It has to be from a very small bird as well.
There's one. Hey, friend, what color eggs do you have?
They are round and small.
But that egg is light blue, not white like our little egg.
Since the egg is white, maybe it's from a white bird.
Excuse me? Are your eggs small and round?
They are oval, not round.
Let's keep looking.
We can't give up.
We already visited all of the nests here and none of the birds said it was their egg.
But are we sure it's not a ping pong ball?
Hey, Sonar.
Hi, friends. Why the long faces?
We found a lost egg.
And we tried to look for its family.
But none of the birds said it's theirs.
Did you only ask the birds?
Who else would we ask?
Well, birds aren't the only animals that lay eggs.
What?
Snakes, crocodiles, turtles, and other reptiles lay eggs as well. So maybe you weren't looking in the right place.
Oh.
And the river is home to lots of reptiles, so the nest could be nearby. We need to find it.
A new mission.
Let's jump on the boat.
We found an egg, looking around. We found an egg, white and round.
Whose egg is this?
We want to know,
Whose egg is this?
where does it go?
We asked the turtle, what color's your egg?
Her eggs are white.
Just like our egg.
We asked the turtle, what shape is your egg?
Her egg is round.
Just like our egg. It was not the bird's blue egg. It's her egg, the turtle's egg. It was not the gator's egg.
It's her egg.
The turtle's egg.
Look!
Maybe this could be our match. White and round.
And very small.
I think this is it.
Come with us!
It was so close to the nest.
Ooh.
Bubbles and friends.